Hello everyone and welcome to this course of data visualization. I am Dr. Rupali Kulkarni and I will be taking you through this course. Let us first understand why you should take this course, what are the contents and how they are going to benefit you. We live in 21st century which is recognized by rapid growth in the field of information and technology. Data and information has been integral part of our everyday life. Nowadays, more and more industries are now being more data based. Because we live in a digital world, that is we are surrounded by many of the digital instruments at all the times, which either collect or produce lot of information at all the moments. For example, smart materials like smartphones, smart cameras, or the sensory materials or instruments like surveillance cameras, or the digital transaction processing machines, which produce lot of information at all the times. So volume of the data is really been skyrocketed because this data is generated at all the time at large variety, velocity and volumes. According to IBM, more than 90% of the data that exists in this world has been created over just past couple of years. So there exists much of the big data around us. So many of the businesses are starting taking most of the benefits from existence of this big data, and they have redefining their business standards, protocols, procedures or business goals to take most of the benefits from this big data to enhance or expand their businesses. This branch of science which studies and analyzes the big data for the benefits of the organization is termed as data science. Now what is data visualization? Data visualization is a branch of data science that analyzes the big data and produces the inferences that are drawn from analysis of this big data in form of visuals or graphical representations. These visuals help the business executives or the decision makers to make more effective and more informed business decisions for the growth of their businesses, and hence this branch has got much important in the field called as business intelligence, and it has opened a wide range of opportunity in the market to start your career. To name the few job titles, they are data analyst, data engineer, data architect or data visualization expert or consultant. These job profiles are in great demand. So what are the contents of this course and for whom the course really is? If you want to develop your career path as a data visualization expert or a consultant, then this course is for you. If you have interest in the field of data visualization, then this course is for you. Or if you have got a very creative and analytical brain, or you love computer science, mathematics and statistics, then this course will be really helpful to you. What are the contents of the course? I'll be exploring you first with the few concepts of data visualization. Then I'll be exploring various display medias that are used to express the inferences from the analysis of big data. Dashboard is a very important tool in data visualization, which is interface to the business executives, using which they take their business decisions. So concept of dashboard will be covered and the related design principles of dashboard will be explored. So these are the contents for you. Are you interested getting insight of the subject? Then why are we waiting for? Let us start with the next session.
Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep moving toward your career. Keep moving toward your career.